Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to work on this HP OfficeJet Pro that has this Carriage jam problem. It has this button says show me, but if you press show me, it doesn't give you any solution at all. And the problem going to come back whenever you restart a printer. Abby going to show you how to fix it.
Hey guys, it's Abby here. I'm going to teach you how to fix this carriage jam issue. You see it goes all the way to the left but gets held up right before it can reach all the way to the right side. So I'll show you again right there, it just gets held up. Bring a little bit more light into our working area. But what it's getting held up on is there's an ink pad that fits under the carriage, and you'll see I'll push it back. So I just took a little tool. You can use anything really you can even use your finger just to push it back, and now you can see our carriage fits all the way back to the right side as it's supposed to properly. So let's power back on the printer and we'll see if that fixed our carriage jam error. So as our HP is powering back on, it's going to power up. Just press OK here if it tells you that it powered off improperly. Just press OK. It's powering back up. Once it does, I'm going to go ahead and print a nozzle check just to see if we get it to print good and no carriage jam again. So when you get to this home screen, go ahead and press that wrench at the top for settings. Once you get there, go to Tools. Under Tools, you can press Print Quality Report. Alright, so that's working, and that's going to start printing a quality report page for us. This printer that I was working on was a repair here at the shop, and we were repairing it for missing black. So this one actually looked better from the page yesterday. Yesterday was missing black completely, and now I got a little bit of black, so that's good. Thumbs up. And happy printing. We fixed the carriage jam error.